What's the meaning of combat fatigues? Combat fatigues. Combat fatigues.
Combat fatigues. Combat fatigues. Combat fatigues are a type of clothing worn by military personnel during combat or training exercises. They are designed to provide camouflage and protection in the field, and include features such as pockets for ammunition and equipment. The term fatigues refers to the original purpose of the clothing, which was to provide a comfortable uniform for soldiers during non-combat duties. Overall, combat fatigues serve an important role in the military by providing both practical and symbolic value in the context of warfare.